Embroidery sewing machines can add intricate detail to any piece of clothing or fabric you sew. Embroidery in itself is probably one of the most important parts of clothing design, especially in a home business. This aspect allows designers to showcase their creativity to create unique masterpieces. At Just Sewn, we've tested a handful of sewing and embroidery machines since we started. Some are better than others. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 6 best embroidery machines 2025 in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Brother SE 2000 Computerized Sewing and Embroidery Machine. Working as both an embroidery and sewing machine, this pick from Brother is top rated for a reason. It's easy to use with its clear controls like a big touchscreen, automatic thread cutting, speed controls, and needle up / down, plus all the accessories you need to get started. The large 5-inch by 7-inch embroidery area accommodates a wider range of design sizes, and you can easily upload designs wirelessly. GH analysts appreciated how intuitive Brother sewing machines are to operate, finding it easy to operate the automatic needle threader and wind the bobbin. Note that this is an upgraded model from the popular Brother SE 1900 sewing and embroidery machine. Number 2. Brother SE 600 Sewing Machine. For under $500. This sewing machine with embroidery options is an absolute steal. With a clear LCD screen, an easy drop-in bobbin, variable speeds, and free motion sewing capabilities, this Brother machine has everything you'll need for sewing and embroidery projects alike. There's a 4-inch by 4-inch embroidery area to use the 80 built-in designs, plus a USB port to upload custom images. Our pros found the provided instructions easy to follow, making it the perfect buy for a beginner. Number 3. Brother PE 770. The Brother PE 770 is an advanced embroidery and sewing machine designed for those with more advanced embroidering experience, which makes it great for a home business. The built-in embroidery hoop is a bit larger than most machines, which will give you enough space to design larger projects. This machine includes different types of lettering as well. There are about 136 designs ranging from 12 different border styles to 10 or so frame shapes to 6 lettering fonts. In other words, you'll truly be spoiled for choice. A built-in memory system and an accessible USB will aid you in designing and editing new and unique designs. The editing features can be accessed through the state-of-the-art touchscreen LCD display located on the front of the machine. Number 4. Singer Futura XL 580. This sewing and embroidery machine combines the art of embroidery with the progressive nature of technology for a perfect embroidery machine for home business. It is equipped with many preloaded designs that you can choose from, or you can load on your own. With this machine, you won't have to worry about pulling out every stop on your design. The digital software will do all the hard stuff for you. Although the technological aspect of this sewing and embroidery machine is the main attraction, that's not the only thing it possesses. It also features 50 endless hoops for numerous designs, as well as multi-hooping capabilities. Number 5. Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine. Embroidery machines tend to be bulky and quite heavy, but this sleeker style from Brother is just an embroidery machine with no sewing capabilities, so it's much more lightweight. There's an LCD screen to see your designs in color, with a USB port to upload a custom design. It embroidered floral designs and text with ease. GH Lab pros found it easy to set up, thread the machine, and choose a design. A great option for beginners. Number 6. Brother PE 535 Embroidery Machine. Embroidery machines tend to be bulky and quite heavy, but this sleeker style from Brother is just an embroidery machine with no sewing capabilities, so it's much more lightweight. There's an LCD screen to see your designs in color, with a USB port to upload a custom design. It embroidered floral designs and text with ease. GH Lab pros found it easy to set up, thread the machine, and choose a design, a great option for beginners. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.